OneBusiness ERP is the one-stop shop for tea factories. OneBusiness is the only piece of software you will need to run your tea factory business. No matter how complex, OneBusiness ERP will be able to satisfy all the information requirements. For example, operational, management, and statutory reporting. It is amalgamated OLTP, online transactional processing, and OLAP, online analytical processing, into a single place. This means you can perform transactions and analyze the business data in a single platform. As an add-on, OneBusiness is equipped with Tableau and Power BI reports dashboards. Are you finding it challenging to handle green leaf receipts, details, and reporting? OneBusiness offline mobile app will make it simple for you. Do you want to track everyday tea production and monitor raw materials consumption? Then, the OneBusiness Production Planning module will remove all your pain for tracking. Do you need an inventory report to monitor and sell different tea grades? OneBusiness ERP will do the reconciliation in real time. Need to run payroll for your factory employees? Do you want to establish 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐸 integration directly from your procurement and sales modules? Would you like to receive digital invoices from your vendors? Then we have it all in one place. Are you interested in the proactive maintenance planning of your tea factory production equipment? Avoid unforeseen breakdowns and loss in production, as we have it all covered in OneBusiness ERP. OneBusiness will support your daily workload management. It has built-in correspondence management, which tracks all your inbound and outbound correspondences. You have control at your fingertips for sales management, spot factory sale, or online sale. Download OneERP mobile app to sell your products online. Improve your sales with the OneBusiness CRM solution. OneBusiness ERP is a best-of-breed product to improve your profitability. What are you waiting for? Contact us at support@𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞.com.au to chat about what OneBusiness ERP can do for you. OneBusinessERP.com